Hey, hi, this is Vishal. This video is created for to how to use SQLmap, automatic SQLmap, which is created by me. That SQLmap is open source penetration testing tool that automate the process of detecting and exploiting SQL injections flow and taking over the database server. So basically, this one is a repository. You can download it in your system. Okay. So the project screenshot is also given here. How to download that repository using the git clone command. Once you download, you can get into that folder, and the folder name will be created as advanced SQLi, and just assign the permission like 777 and execute it. So once execute how it works, that we'll see in a practical. Features of that tool is, it comes with the powerful detection engines, like many ninjas features for the ultimate penetration tester, and the broad range of switches including database fingerprinting or the data fetching from the database, accessing the underlying file system and executions commands. So basically this is the steps, 4 steps only. Okay, I'm going to download that tool in my system. Just copy this URL. Whether you can, don't want to copy that URL, you can just click on the code button and click on that. All right, even you can download the file as well. So that file will be downloaded as a RAR or zip format. So I just open my Kali system here. Let's git clone and paste your repository. So I already downloaded that file. Okay, I would like to do cd and advanced CLI, and then get in cd advanced skli.sh file is here. Okay, and the readme.md file also. So basically, the next step is about like give the chmod 777 advanced SQLi and file your tool. What is this SQL injections? So that SQL injections tools is used for to find the parameters of any websites. Parameter in the sense like SQL injection parameter. You can find the parameter using that tool as well. So first, option is that whether you don't have the parameter, type here your website name. That tool will find the parameter itself. So let's go with the first options. One, find SQL injection parameter. It will ask you want to find SQL parameter. Yes, I want. Enter your site name. Actually, my site name is text php1web.com. Okay. Now copy that URL and paste here. Enter. It will take a time and finding your parameter. Okay. Whether the website's having the SQL parameter, the tool will be find the parameter. Otherwise, it will not find. Look at here. Do you want to test this URL? Yes, I want. Do you want to try a URL injection in the target? Yes, I want. Let's start the SQL injections. So I got the parameter like that. List product dot php question mark cat is equal to. So definitely that I wanted. Now I am going to quit that test. Well, I found the parameter. Boom. All right. Now you can continue for the further. You will getting the details of SQL data. So I just quit here because I want to show you the second options where you can use the parameter. The parameter is this. Okay. Even you can use this parameter as well, like that. Copy and paste here and enter. Right. So now wait. It's finding the test show that the gate parameter chart might be injectable. Right. That's injectable. And it's a vulnerable to cross-site scripting as well. So do you want to skip test payloads specified for the other DBS? Yes, I want to skip the test because I got that well that URL is vulnerable. So let's type the Y and enter. So it's asking you, do you want to include all text? No, I don't want to do all text. No, and enter. Done. So now only that parameter is vulnerable for me, and the SQL map, that's advanced SQL map is starting. So get parameter cat is generic unique query 1 to 20 column, it's fine, and injectable get parameter cat is vulnerable. Do you want to keep testing? No, I don't want to keep testing. Just skip this. And I got available database like accords and information schema. Now my tool is used here as you know, or some work like you want to just type your database name which you found here. So I'm going to copy that accords and paste here only the database name, not necessary to do that all things while you're doing the SQL map, like SQL map hyphen u and that URL like the parameter space hyphen d capital D and you that database name. After that you inject, like you type there hyphen tables and all. So we will skip that all lengthy step. Just enter database name and enter. Okay, it will find columns automatically. Now what tables you want to just copy that table which you found here and paste into the table name is like users and enter. Just to wait for the output, the table's information will be found here. So now I want to find username and password as well. Okay. All right, now enter. So user is this and password is this. Wow, that's awesome. And that tool is used to find the details database. Not necessary to type like the lengthy process SQL map like this. This is the lengthy process, right? If you don't mind, I don't like that lengthy process. That's why I created that automatical tool, SQL map tool. I hope so you guys enjoy while using that tools. Thank you for watching my entire video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.